try and copy what they did, which is I'm not on the boat, I'm just kind of holding it. I've got it in first gear, and I'm just going bit by bit, by foot. But it's very difficult. Keep stalling. Don't let that down. Don't let up. Very difficult. You come help me. Please help me. No one's helping. They're all standing watching. Would you help me, please? Thank you. Oh. Oh. Help me, help me. I'm old. Wait a minute. I put it in. I'm too old for this. Wait a minute. 2 minutes. Too much. Now which way? Up here? That way? Okay. I go? I wait, okay. Ooh, I don't like the look of that. Careful with this bike. What? You take. Go. Please. Please. I'm scared for the bike. He's gonna bring it through. Yes, come on, baby. Keep stalling, you see? My trouble. He's trying to pick it up. He's doing it. Yes, he's doing it. Go on, baby, go on. He's stronger than me. Hurrah! Yes! Oh my God. I don't believe this. Come on! You're my hero! Thank you! Oh, thank you! 16 years old! Thank you, my hero! Okay, let's get out of here. Oh, put the stand up, woman. What I might do is park up and take some footage. Stalling. Not good. I don't know if it's like this anywhere else on this road, but it's sure going to make my journey slower. Wow. They're pulling the lorry out. Unbelievable. Okay, I think we got to get going, otherwise we're not going to get there today. They'll be there for hours yet. I love that guy who got me out. Oh, hang on, I've got to put the camera on here. Where is it? Oh God, here we go. Pull the glove off again. Holy shit, where's my phone? There. That's a good point. Let's just check the route. Oh my God, that was hairy. That was hairy. Only because I started it did they come and help me. Otherwise they just sort of wanted to watch me struggle. Got there in the end. Thanks to that lad, those two lads. They're my bloody heroes. Right, so let me stop this and say start again. Okay, 3 hours 39 from here. Alrighty. Well, we better just get on with it. That is quite something what's going on over there. 2 lorries. You see, that's the kind of traffic you meet. Oh, difficult. Very difficult. I go to Giang, to Dao Lodge, homestay, long way. 106. Do you speak English? Yeah? What's your name? No, you don't, obviously. You speak English? Little bit? What is your name? Oh, Brazil. Football. Very good. Okay, I go. Bye-bye. Wow. Crazy. How do I get past these guys? This side? Creep and creep? Yeah, creep and creep. Through the mud there. We'll stop right in the middle of the road, buddies. So with that clutch. Nice slow, control. This is what I did module 1 for. To get past this little lot. Not at the same time, you come through. Bloody dirty. Nice and gently through the mud. That lorry must have been stuck there for a while for them to have got the crane thing here already. I wonder if this camera's working. I think it is. I just hope it is. Because I really wanted that on foot, someone having a piss. Okay. I've still got a long way to go. He's going to have to slow down. Thanks, buddy. today. Jesus. I've got another 9 kilometres of shitty road like this, apparently. Let's just hope there's no more bad bits of mud like that with lorries stuck. Judging by the traffic that's sitting there, I'm hoping that that's the worst patch. I'll definitely get the bike checked in Giang to see I've still got wheel alignment. God, he's bold, isn't he? They know how to handle their bikes, the Vietnamese, I guess, better than me. Day 6 on a motorbike, and I come through that shit. Bloody Nora. No, 5, 6, 7. Day 8 on a motorbike. Day 3 on a dirt bike, and that's the first real dirt that I've met. I just hope the camera's working. It says it is. It's got a little flashy light. Oh God! Talk about do your passes. My mother and I, we always used to say, you've got to do